It's too hot. Where y'all going at, y'all? He got it. Okay. Okay, we got 4,800 people watching on TikTok. Okay, look out. All my people from TikTok, y'all. We live on YouTube in HD. Y'all check me out in HD. We trying to grow my YouTube channel. We're at 23,000. It's been going slow since it got to 23,000. Them TikTokers gonna help. TikTokers help me. My stuff been going slow since I got to 23,000. My channel called Lookout Racing.
Don't subscribe, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Wait, I gotta watch what I say about that.
Now,
They be bullshit.
yeah, it ain't got to 23,000 and started just trickling. Yeah, like the water barely on. I know y'all know how to turn that water on. We got Richard. He just came over and subscribed. Appreciate that, Richard. Yeah, I'm zooming in and everything on the other one. We almost reached 5,000. Look out, look out. Where all my where all these TikTokers and stuff from, man? It's 4,400 people over there. What happened? Yeah. That bit cleared up. Yeah. Okay, here come Rafa.
It's not even quick.
Oh, it's not quick. Alrighty guys, here come. Oh shit! Here goes Rafa. Where y'all going at? Darling or Powell. We got Powell up in here. Where y'all betting at? Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Okay, we got TikTok mostly betting with the white truck, the left lane. We got TikTok betting with the left lane. Okay, he's doing it. Okay. Who is that? We got Adam. Adam just came from TikTok and he subscribed over here on YouTube. Appreciate that, Adam. Okay, they still picking that white truck, y'all. They said that white truck can take care of the business. I know y'all heard that juice on that black truck. White truck getting the back tire, y'all. White truck getting the back tire. Right lane for the win. Right lane. Dang, all the TikTokers, y'all was betting with the left lane, man. Y'all seen how far he let them get out there? Damn. Y'all make sure y'all hitting that like button over there on TikTok if you ain't gonna come over to my YouTube channel. I sure like it if y'all was to come over to my YouTube channel. If y'all want to bet, then yeah, y'all do need to come over to my YouTube channel. They betting. Ooh, they be betting that money. Get over here. Let me see what else we got back here. Matter of fact, I might need to. I can go pull my shit up now. This time I like pulling my shit up. Yeah, I'm finna go get my car now, y'all. Yeah, TikTokers, y'all stay here now for this. Finna go jump in this supercharged. Finna jump in that damn supercharged. Ah, it look like they got the combs out. Damn, do they? Alright, run that shit up. Oh no. Let me see if they gonna let me through. Okay, Henry Ducker, he say he just subbed. Hey, Ronnie, can I go and get in there and make a pass? Okay. Hey, we finna make a pass, y'all. Damn. It's hot in here. Yeah, we finna act up now. Y'all hear that can. I'm finna get out and let y'all hear.